11:38. Energy drink. I have a meeting at 1, so it goes from 1 to 3. I've edited and I'm uploading another video now. I'm gonna go on a walk before I can't walk because I have a meeting. So take a little walk and I might shoot some photos. And I guess I'll take my camera with me, but I'm not gonna be getting some... My cat is having a time. I need to block off that section so she can't poop or pee there. Okay, this is a whole... You guys, it is so warm out here. Oh my God. Yes, I did put sunscreen on, okay? My body can't handle this too much. Even though I'm Italian, I don't get it. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just walking. I only have an hour. Let's do something. What did I forget today? My ND filter. What am I doing? Just being outside. Okay, so this is the place where I want to hammock because it's like off. I just don't know if you can or not. Some of them have no camping signs, but they don't have like you can't do. There's like people, but here's fine. It's just sometimes the homeless have taken over things like this. Yeah, it's a nice spot. Like just put my hammock up right there. Like that's what I'm thinking, because it's very like, if you go back down by the lake, like it's all packed and busy. But like here, this is like quiet. I could just, boom, hammock right there between them. I gotta do that one day, but before it gets too hot, you know? See, the sign says camping prohibited, but does that mean hammocks just for a day? I think I'd be fine. So I'm also shooting with this point and shoot today. All of the photos that I'm taking on my point and shoot are gonna be on my Patreon page. All the black and whites are gonna be from this camera. Oh, look at that, that's sick. This looks like a dystopian, right out of a dystopian movie. That's what this looks like. Super cool. I love the leading lines in that photo. It's a nice one. So I'm passing by a school right now and it smells straight up like hand sanitizer, and I realized that hand sanitizer brings me back to school. It's just this so sterile. I just found out there's a carpenter museum. Interesting. Philly has a museum literally for everything and art for everything. I love taking photos of things because like it's just the small things that I notice, because like I have ADHD, my attention's everywhere, so it's cool to like focus it on something and like show you guys what I see. Alright, I am on my way home because I have like less than 30 minutes to get back home, to get on my meeting, because I have to show my face. Tofu chipotle kind of thing. We got some cabbage and I also put honey mustard in there. I don't know how this is gonna taste. And then I'm gonna have some carrots and some bitchin' sauce. That is good. Oh, I'm blue. So just got off my meeting. It was a head spin. For nationals and like all the stuff that's gonna be, you know, added on. It's gonna be a lot, but it's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Okay, so we are going to go hang out with some friends. Also get a free smoothie, hypothetically. So that'll be nice. And we're gonna go to Chinatown and go to some stores. Place order. Mall is dead. Why is it always dead?
No one goes in the malls anymore.
No one, it's all Amazon these days. Watermelon. Okay, now we're waiting for Azari and his mans to come on and get a smoothie. We should probably tell him that there's no line. Actually, that might make him take longer then.
Hi guys! Today's episode of Adventures with Lauren is featuring me, Azari, my fiance Damon, and Hales. We're going to Chinatown today, so be ready for the action.
Downstairs that we love.
This is where we go.
We never really buy. Look at the precepts, Azari.
Okay. Ready? Hi, it's Azari again here, and we're at You and Me snack store in Chinatown. Let's go. Look, be who you are for your pride.
You only get one life like this.
I have my driver's license, but not for this. Okay, so yeah, this is You and Me. This is our favorite snack store to come to, but they also have the beauty products and stuff here.
Do you get the beauty products?
Well, I don't, but he does.
I do. They're really good.
So he has this skin cream that he uses called
Senka.
like Senka. It's like whipped or something like that, but it's really good for minimizing pores, for dark spots, and for oily skins.
You only get one life, let's live it up.
Cut the camera, cut the camera. Good, like when we were in Japan, this basically cleared his skin up and like.
Yeah, like this is chocolate soy milk.
This one might be good. Does it have aspartame in it though?
Aspartame?
Yeah.
Who is that?
What is that supposed to mean? Like what?
You country?
Like what? Pronounces things like what?
I don't remember because I correct you and then you fix it. But
Or I say whatever.
instead of saying parcel for a package, she says paracel. And then instead of aisle, like a grocery aisle, she says
Lane?
literally
Aisle.
aisle.
All the stuff.
Over camera.
Who did I come here with?
They have one. Good. But I don't know if it's
We only get one life. We only get one life. We only get one life.
Just had a shower, cleaned up a little bit. It was a little hot today, but yeah, good day. Good day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, subscribe. All of my other photos will be down in the description below with my Patreon page, so go check that out. I'm excited for this trip tomorrow and this weekend. Some fun stuff's gonna happen this weekend, so you know, just looking forward to some things. And life is life, and keep on living it, I guess. See you guys next video. Peace.